Hey, what's up everybody? In this video tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at how to create a Mike and Ike candy. All right, you can kind of see those every once in a while. There's about probably 3 or 4 different types of candy that all share the same shape. They're just different colors and they're different flavors. Hot tamales is another type, for example. But we're going to be creating a Mike and Ike today. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's go up here, create a new document in Onshape, and let's give that the name of Mike and Ike candy, just like so. And let's go ahead and let's get sketching. So let's create a sketch. Does not matter which work plane you pick on. Let's just go ahead and pick on a work plane and take a look at that front view of our view cube. All right, so on this one, what we're going to do is actually come here underneath rectangle. We're going to find center point rectangle. All right, so I'm going to start with center point rectangle. I'm going to start the origin, okay, and I'm going to come up here and just create my rectangle. So I was finding that the dimensions on my Mike and Ike, the middle portion of this, was about 0.51 inches long. I'm gonna go ahead and hit enter. And then my overall height on this is going to be a height of 0.363. Okay, so we have that rectangle shape right there. All right, so the Mike and Ike is going to have rounded ends on this. So I'm going to come up, find my circle, start here from the midpoint and go up and pick there. Start here from the midpoint, go up and pick here. All right, and this is the overall profile of a Mike and Ike. All right, so the Mike and Ike, we're going to be creating the same way we created the Whopper and we created the M&M. We're going to be creating this as a revolution. All right, so that what that means is I have to draw an axis. My axis in this case would start from here and go across over to here. Okay, now that I have that axis drawn, now I can come up, I can find my trim, and I can trim out what I don't need, okay, for this profile, which is going to just simply be leaving me with half the profile, just like we see here. Looks like I lost my dimensions, no problem. We can always come up, place our dimensions like so, and then this dimension is going to be indicating, half the diameter, which is our radius. Okay, so we can go with that. All right, so we have our profile done. Now we can come out here, finish up with our sketch, put this into an isometric view, and now we can come up and go to Revolve. So I need to make sure to grab all parts of this, okay, to make up the profile. And now we can pick on the red box for the Revolve Axis, pick on that axis, and it's going to swing that around the full 360. Now we can green check it. All right, we can shut down some work planes at this point. And now we can decide on what flavor we want for that Mike and Ike. So coming over here to my color appearance, double clicking here on the box. And I'm going to say I want this to be a grape flavor. So I'm going to pick on purple. Okay, get rid of that color appearance, and there you go. That's how you create a Mike and Ike candy using Onshape.